Hello, I'm Luc Bouchard, and here is today's Forgiveness Declaration card draw. I forgive myself for believing that the only person I can trust is myself. So let's see what I wrote about this. This is what the ego would have us do, not trust anyone. We need to trust others to know that we will be okay and be able to forgive whatever shows up in our lives and see it as a healing opportunity. So the main point I'd like to make about this declaration is that when we don't trust others, it's really an indication of that we don't trust ourselves, or more importantly, we don't trust our connection to God, that we are not actually connected to God. Because if we truly trusted God, we would know we couldn't be hurt. We know that we'd be okay. We know that we would be resourced. We know that basically whatever will happen will be as it's supposed to happen. But we don't do that. Why? Because the ego natters in our head. You can't trust these people because the ego always draws from past experiences and brings them to the future, brings them to the present and projects into the future. And that's why we are mistrustful. But if we really knew where our salvation lied, and that is with God, and that we will be okay, then there would be no problem trusting others and ourselves. So, about this particular image, I don't know if there's really much to say about it. It was a lock on a gate, and I thought it was very befitting for this particular image. And you know how we lock things up so that we have to protect ourselves because God knows what might happen. And again, that's the ego talking in our ear. But you can't be too careful. You have to make sure that you're not going to be taken advantage of, or you're not going to be hurt or harmed or whatnot. Thanks so much for watching this video. I'm going to finish by how I always finish, and that is, peace of mind only comes from when we trust our connection to God and actually forgive others for what we think they've done to us. You take care, and there'll be another video coming up very soon.